Hi guys, buenos dias. I'm Naeem from I Am Launch Lab, and welcome to my AI Movie Director review and bonuses video. I am inside the AI Movie Director members area where I will give you a quick demo. In a nutshell, AI Movie Director does the impossible, transforming any idea into a fully produced Hollywood-style movie with just 3 clicks. You won't need cameras, actors, or production crews, making filmmaking accessible for everyone. Now you can grab AI Movie Director and my high-valued bonuses from my bonus page link in the comments here on YouTube. Bonus 1. Filmmakers Fast Track Guide. This guide complements the AI Movie Director by providing practical strategies to maximize the software's potential, resulting in quicker film production and enhanced creativity. Bonus 2. Actor and Character Development Toolkit. This toolkit enhances the AI character creator by providing additional resources for character development, ensuring richer storytelling and audience connection. Bonus 3. Editing Made Easy Checklist. This checklist complements the AI video editor by ensuring users maximize the software's capabilities and efficiency, leading to polished final products in less time. Bonus 4. Cinematic Sound Design Guide. This guide enriches the AI voice and dialogue engine by providing insights into sound design, ensuring your films not only look good, but sound fantastic, enhancing overall viewer experience. Bonus 5. Marketing Your Movie Masterclass. This masterclass complements the commercial license by preparing users to market their projects effectively, ensuring they can monetize their films and reach a larger audience. Now let me walk you through a quick demo.
There was a time when the world was alive. Cities never slept, and humanity ruled everything. But something changed. We created intelligence that no longer needed us. Machines evolved. They watched, they learned, and then they took control. Now, silence is all that remains. No voices, no people, just echoes of a forgotten world. They say I'm the last human on Earth, but I'm not alone. Something is still watching me. And maybe this isn't the end. Maybe this is just the beginning.
So don't forget to grab AI Movie Director through the link below to access all those exclusive bonuses I mentioned. Remember, these bonuses are only available for purchases made through my link. Click the link below, launching on March 24th, 2026. Muchas gracias y que tenga un buen día.